Meet Greg. He loves to travel. Greg is a well-groomed human, but when it comes to packing his toiletries, sadly all he can find is this plastic bag. Ouch! Or an age-old zipper bag. Or an oversized mesh bag. Let's face it, this is how we all pack. So we designed a bag that neatly fits all this into this. Meet Escpade, the world's most functional toiletry bag. We have thought this bag through every last stitch. It is secure, compact, organized, and super lightweight. Premium elastic see-through mesh pockets let you store a small bottle or a full-size BB cream. There's a dedicated space for everything. The innovative roll-up design lies flat and secure. Hang anywhere you want with a thoughtful, discreet hook loop, or use the G-hook as a loop. With 2 waterproof pockets, inside you can store stuff that can leak. And outside pocket comes with a TSA-approved premium clear pouch for liquids. Easily pull it out and show it at airport security. 2 long mesh pockets store standard-sized stuff you can't live without on the road. Never be afraid of stuff falling out. It secures all your essentials. High-quality materials with lifetime warranty. Waterproof nylon. You can easily wash it and it dries instantly. A size so compact, it fits in everywhere. Suitcase, backpack, or just carry it along. It's designed to go wherever life takes you. Traveling with Escpade makes your trip totally organized. This is Escpade, the world's most functional toiletry pack. We are proud to launch Escpade exclusively on Kickstarter. Back us now and get your limited early bird.